Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're going to show you how to fix a clog in a Keurig coffee machine. This is the one of the commercial Keurig coffee machines, and oftentimes you'll press the brew button and nothing comes out, but when you press the hot water button it works just fine. So if that's the case, oftentimes this will be the fix. So you open up the top, and I took the screws out already, but there'll be one screw there and one screw there, and you take those two screws out, and then you lower the lid, and then you can remove this top easily. And then what you do is you take this piece off here, and then it also disconnects right here. And then with a flathead screwdriver, you can pull this whole piece out. And so I'm going to, let's see, how can I show you this? I'm going to show you what that looks like once you get it out. So just bear with me here a minute. I'm going to show you how to get this out. So you just pry this piece out here. Sometimes it falls apart and you just put it back together. But basically there's this spring mechanism in there, and that little spring mechanism gets, it's hard to show, that little spring mechanism right there, that gets stuck. And it's usually not stuck very much, just a little bit, but that's enough to stop the whole machine from brewing. And so it's also good to soak it in coffee cleaner, and then you just put it back together. You just put it back together and it'll work great. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. And once again, you just put the piece that I just pulled apart back in here, and you put it on top, and then put the cover back on and put the two screws in. Alright, thank you.